Didn't turn it on, did I? What an idiot. So I just recorded a video without recording it. So what I've done is I've connected these two in series. Doesn't really matter which way around. And when it was first connected, it was showing 16.16. So that's 8.08 each, roughly. This one originally registered at 10. This one's about the same. It was 8.08. So what I've done is I've put him on. Originally I was charging it to 8.2 volts, so I'm charging it to 16.4 for the two because it's 8.2 a pack. I originally put that on as 2 amps current limit, and as you can see now it's on about 200 milliamps, and the voltage on the pack is actually registering that. Doesn't matter really. I mean, I trust the meter here probably more, but it's near enough, isn't it? I mean, 16.44, that's 8.22. I'm going to drop it down a bit actually. I think the wiring's got a problem. Oops. Just drop it down to 100 milliamps. Don't know why it's, sorry, I mean. It perhaps is the wiring. So I've just dropped it down to 100 milliamps, which means the voltage is now dropped. That's interesting. I don't know, I'm not sure. Because this is obviously measuring the voltage inside the power pack, not at the terminals, whereas this is measuring the voltage at the terminals. So we'll leave it. That should go up to 16.4 eventually. And to be honest, a slower current is probably better, because then that means you're not charging at full belt basically. Yeah, so we'll leave it like that, and then I'll go and put this battery back together, and it's done, sort of thing.